Greetings from the desert in Egypt. This is Sahl. Hasheesh. It's like the desert between the resort town of Makati Bay and Sahl Hasheesh, which is also another resort town. And it really gives desert vibes over here. You can just walk along the sand and feel the desert. However, next to the desert you can find the Red Sea that I have been exploring already for 7 days now, as today is day 7 of my vacation in Egypt, the last full day, as I will be departing back to Stockholm tomorrow at 3 p.m. So still more than 1 day of exploration here in the desert of Egypt. But apart from this desert, I'm staying at an all-inclusive resort with unlimited food and drinks, so it's quite nice indeed. Now I have been walking and I have made also a walk episode along the coast, and now I'm going to check out the water also here and go in for a quick swim before I head back to the resort and do snorkeling as well. Now it is the hottest day so far since my arrival here in Egypt. It is 23 degrees Celsius in the air, and it is the first time warmer than the sea. In the sea today it is 22.4 degrees Celsius. That's satellite measurement that I have been looking at. So let's not wait any longer and go ahead, as we're gonna need to walk a bit here. I have brought my water shoes with me, but I don't feel like carrying them right now, so I'm just gonna be careful when entering the water. So let's see, this is the first time that I'm going in at this part. Usually I'm just I have been swimming in the resort, from the jetty and from the beach there, but also at the Blue Lagoon that was quite sandy. So here we have a bit of a wet sand in the beginning, and I see a mixture of some rocks, but so far it feels like it's quite okay to walk, as I'm showing you this beauty of desert nature here at Sahl Hasheesh in the Hurghada region of Egypt. It looks quite amazing, doesn't it? And here I can see also there is one island there that I have seen it in some of the excursions and tours, but I'm not really sure that it's much different, the water there compared to the rest of the coast here. And you can see it is very shallow here. It is up to the ankles so far, so I would definitely need to be walking a bit. And the bottom here is sand on top of some rocks, I believe so. So water should come out. Let's see. I can basically go in when it gets to my knees. As I really want to spend more time snorkeling today and tomorrow as much as I can. And we can see there also Hurghada in the distance, the city of Hurghada. It is not that far from my hotel. I think, I'm not really sure, I think 30 kilometers or something. From the airport it took maybe 20 minutes or something. Where I'm staying over there in Makati Bay Resort. And it has been such a blast. And I hope you have enjoyed so far all of the episodes, and few more will be coming in for sure. The water looks so amazing in the Red Sea, especially the coral reef and the aquatic wildlife that is there. It's quite beautiful indeed. And here I'm stumbling now on my feet on some rough parts of rocks and other type of water life here. And yeah, quite a while. I'm now at least 100 meters from the shore. And hopefully it will get deep enough soon for me to have a short dip here. Yes, what else? Egypt has a population of 110 million people. It is one of the largest African countries, both by population and by area. The area consists of mostly desert, but also it has one of the longest rivers in the world, Nile, that I have cruised on 2 days ago on my tour in Cairo and Giza. And Cairo itself, with Giza together, the two cities have a population of 20 million people. That's double the amount of people in Sweden, where I live, and 10 times more than the country where I'm originally from, Macedonia. So quite a lot of people. And Egypt is obviously a touristic destination as such, mainly popular among the European tourists, with Germans taking the lead. I have seen so many Germans at the resort, but also from Scandinavian countries and the Eastern countries, and even Russia, that are currently not allowed to travel to many countries in Europe, so they are spending their vacation mostly in Egypt, Turkey, Thailand, amongst others. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy this episode at least, regardless that it takes quite a long time. And I now realize that it will take quite a long time for me to get out, so I would just have a quick dip, even though it's not that deep enough here. I think I found one deeper spot over there, and I will be obviously taking a longer swim during the snorkeling adventure back in the resort. It's not yet. I need to walk maybe 200 meters more to get to the miracle itself, as you can see. So let's just dive in here. I think this was the deepest that I have experienced. It's not even up to the knees, but hey, it is 18th of February 2025, 23 degrees Celsius in the air, 22.3 in the sea, and I'm gonna have lay down now here on the Red Sea and enjoy this view of the desert behind me and the Red Sea here. It is so amazing, the view. And hopefully I can get some tan. I have been putting lots of sunscreen and realized, so the sun was not going through my skin. So I will be putting less today. Maybe put some oil, sunscreen oil, I mean to say, because that will give me more tan. As I will be back to Sweden tomorrow, and there the sun is very vague and basically non-existent at times. So yeah, then let's dip in here and lay down on the Red Sea in Sahl, Hasheesh, Hurghada, Egypt. Let's go! Oh yes, I have definitely made the whole body. It is amazing. Brilliant. Beautiful. What a wonderful day out on the Red Sea. This is pure paradise, right? Yes. indeed. Beautiful. Beautiful indeed. Yes. Um, so yes, I now need to walk around 20 minutes back to the resort. Maybe I will go get some lunch. It is now 1:20 p.m. Uh, I did have a little breakfast, so I'm not even that hungry, but it's all inclusive, so why not? So greetings from Sahl, Hasheesh, the desert here in Egypt, and the beauty of the Red Sea. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.